Hi, today I'm going to do a video that Shelly A tagged me on. Is a top 5 coach must-have bag in 2021. At first I thought that maybe I don't really buy enough coach bags to show you top 5, but once I go through my bags I do realize that Coach is I probably have the most bags from Coach, and surprisingly I definitely have more than 5. So since we are doing the Coach bag video today, I thought I would put on the trench coat I got from Coach. I thought their ready wear is really well made as well. So if you are interested in their ready to wear, you probably should go check it out. They often have sales on their outlet website. So the first bag I wanted to talk about is this. I believe this one is from Coach outlet. It's called Jazz Crossbody, Coach Jazz Crossbody. It's just a typical camera bag you see that's available from most brands. I like this because the size is quite big for camera bags. It's not a small camera bag, like as you can see. They have different color. This one is leather and this one is kind of denim canvas material. It has 2 zipper compartments, and then at the back it has a pocket for your phone or if you want to put receipts. So I like it because if you just want to go out for lunch or run errands, this is definitely big enough to put everything you need. Sometimes I even put a small compact camera in it when I'm going out to take pictures with my friends. So this is definitely worth getting if you want to consider. The quality is great, and they also have multiple different material, and even the crossbody strap or shoulder straps could be in different material and sizing also. So I do like this one, and I think the quality is great. As you can see, even the zipper is metal zipper. So, and this one is in black leather. I thought I would go from small to bigger bags. So the second bag I want to show you is the Coach vintage Willis bag. I do like this version better than their newer updated version, because I don't know why, but I do think that the vintage version they just did it right. The hardware itself is super awesome, and it just made I think the design is just more cohesive. I think when they try to update this design, they to put in modern twist, but maybe because of first impression, I always thought I like this version better. The reason I like this is it's really sturdy. I think it has a metal rod in the handle here, and I always love a bag that have a back pocket, because sometimes, you know, when you go out, you want to quickly put away your phone or stuff. You don't really want to go through the trouble to open your bag. So having a back pocket is really convenient. And then the inside compartment is quite spacious. You can definitely put a lot of stuff. And also another second kind of a big slip pocket up front. I have a few Coach vintage bags, and when I look through them, this one is the one that I pick up for today's recommendation. I know right now it's 2021, but something about Coach vintage bags, they're just so timeless, and their quality is so good, the leather is so durable that it's worth getting one or more if you can get your hand on them. But if you do want to get one, I would recommend you find it on reseller market, because if you get it on Coach website, they do charge a lot. I know a lot of people probably will recommend Coach rope, so I'm going to skip it this time, but still want to show you this beautiful Coach rope 39, I believe. I think they call it Cashin tote. You don't see this bag often these days, but it's a very iconic Coach tote that I believe is an updated version from their iconic tote that created by their very early on the designer that designed Coach bags. So it's a very unique structure tote. It does come with a crossbody strap and central zipper compartment, and then two more, one at the front and one at the back. The one at the back has a zipper pocket. I think this is one of the most well-made Coach bag, and it's very luxurious as well. As you can see, the lining inside is this beautiful smooth leather. Although at the bottom it does say it's made from genuine glove tan leather, so I'm not sure is this just their version of genuine leather. It does feel much better quality than most genuine leather bag you see on the market. And it comes with this metal fit. I love the blue one, and I would love to get the tan or saddle color one if I could, but for now I'm settled with this one. So this is one of my recommendation. If you could find it, I highly recommending this one. So originally I thought about recommend my Field Tote 40, but I ended up prefer this one actually. This one I just reviewed it on my channel lately, so if you are interested you can go check out that video. It's very similar to the regular Field Tote 40. This one is the Coach collaboration with Babe. It's a streetwear brand from Japan. It's a softer fabric bag, and the reason why I like this one better than regular Field Tote is because it has this turn lock closure. Let's see. It just works better for long term. I noticed the magnetic closure on my Field Tote seems to weaken through times, and when I carry a lot of stuff, it tends to bounce open if I'm not careful. And I like that this one has this turn lock closure, and it will secure your bag better. It's less likely things falling out from your bag. So I do hope Coach will make more of this kind of design for their Field Tote or their Tote 40. So this is my fourth recommendation for today's tech video. So the last tote I want to include in today's video is this Coach Tote 40 Dempsey Tote 40. This is also another tote bag from Coach outlet, and they designed this specific for the outlet, so it's not a retail bag. But if I have to choose, I actually would choose this one over the retail Tote 40, because in terms of design they are extremely similar, but I do like how many organization options they provide. Like inside the tote, you get zipper closure. on the front and the back, and also two big slip pockets as well. So it's a very similar design to the Tote 40, but you just get, I feel like you just get more money, more value for your money. My Filtered 40 doesn't have any pockets inside, it's a black hole. So, and the magnetic closure on this one do feel very strong, and I have had this for a while and it still hold up pretty well. In terms of quality, I don't think this is any less than the regular Filtered 40. So I feel like this is one of the bag that I would keep buying if they have new color coming out. This one, so I want to also show you this one. This one was the one that I picked up last year actually. I'd like to show you because now it's almost holiday season and this color is just so perfect for holiday season, Christmas time. Same tote, different design and slightly different material. This one is I believe is just their canvas version, and this one is coated canvas. It feels very similar to, the texture feels similar to leather, but it's a coated canvas version. If you don't like the logo, you can always flip to the back. Very sturdy, large tote if you need to carry a lot of stuff. So thanks again for today, Shelly, to tag me to do this video, and I'm glad I'm able to share a few Coach bags that I like with you guys, or with you all, with you girls. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again next time. Bye.